In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate template in Notion. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, note that the templates or the pages that you have in your Notion account or workspace can be both duplicated or be duplicated in the same way. So to do that, let's simply select the page where we want to duplicate. Let's say we're going to use to do in here. And once you click to do, actually this page is already made by a template. So this one is template made. You will simply go on the upper right corner of the screen and we go with the three dots which represents more action. When you click this will then provide you various options of actions that you can subject to this specific page. Now, since we're talking about duplicating, we simply go to duplicate in here and this will ask you to choose among the two, whether to duplicate with the same content or duplicate without the content, just the format. Let's say we're going to use duplicate without content in here. And as you can see, we have now successfully duplicated the same template in here without the content, yet the same table and format. And that's about it. That's how to duplicate template in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.